Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to Odoo Discussions YouTube channel. I am Muhammad Yunus, and in today's video I am going to talk about how to make the fields editable on the website. So in the previous video we have discussed how to add the website support for our custom template. So in this video we are going to go further and discuss how to make the fields editable in the website edit mode. So let's go to the screen and show you how you can do it. So here is the template where we have displaying the information from the model, and here is the view on the website of our template. So here we want to make this editable to change the name of the course. For example, if I edit this button here, this course and these things are not editable, but here these information are editable. For example, I can change about us, I can change this detail and also this thing, but here in our case it is not editable. So in order to make it editable, I need to make a change in the template. So here currently we are just using t-escape, which means that just display the name, but here if you want to make it editable, we need to use the attribute t-field, which will enable the user to make it editable. So now let me go to Odoo and then upgrade the module, and then we will see this edit option. So the module has been upgraded. Let me just discard this and refresh this page. And here, let me go to the editor. So edit this. And here now you can see we can edit this. So for example, if I add here, technical course edited, okay. And if I add here, Odoo discussions, like this, and then save it. So once I save it, it will be saved at the backend. So if I go to the backend, open Academy, and here you can see the name is updated, Odoo technical demo course edited, and here Odoo discussions added. So like the effects, the changes that we have added on the website is reflecting at the backend. So this is how you can simply make a field editable on the website. So if you find this video useful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.